Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a bright and refreshing blood orange lemonade. This is the perfect blend of citrusy sweetness with a gorgeous ruby hue. With just a few simple ingredients, this naturally vibrant drink is as stunning as it is delicious. Start by adding 113 grams of cane sugar and half a cup of water to a small pot. Put over medium heat and whisk until the sugar has dissolved completely. We're making a simple syrup to sweeten this lemonade. Then juice about 6 blood oranges until you have about half a cup of blood orange juice. Add in the simple syrup, blood orange juice, and 1 cup of lemon juice to a large pitcher. You can also juice lemons for the lemon juice, or you can use bottled lemon juice, either works. Then fill the pitcher with the remaining 4.5 cups of water. I'd like to slice up a lemon and add it into the pitcher for added flavor, and it just looks so pretty. Serve this over ice with a slice of blood orange or lemon. This homemade blood orange lemonade makes a delicious and refreshing summer drink or mixer for cocktails. If you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.